My name is David. I'm the CEO of Climatech Asia.
We are from the Midori Farm Enterprise, from a startup, a student startup from University Technology Mara, Malaysia.
I'm Ryan Ong, co-founder and CEO of Pogo Fungi.
RP Trendline Agri-Food Incubation Program is designed for 3 month program. Okay, this program basically covers basic fundamentals of a startup founder, from ideation all the way into basically a simple MVP. The MVP can be at a low fidelity, medium fidelity, or even at a high fidelity. So the participants have actually went through 3 months strengthening their business model, okay, their canvas business model, their pitch deck, okay, their USP, and at the same time also build up their prototype, or we known as their MVP. During that period of time, they practice, okay, to pitch in front the judges who are actually real investors, okay, before they actually come out on the stage today, okay, for the $30,000 prize money.
So my product is bio-incense, upcycling of flower waste, and I hope that everybody can join me in this race to stop global warming.
Our product basically, we are venturing into the vertical farming project, whereby we design a cabin module called MyVF Lodge 1.0, and also design the MyVF Mini 1.0, basically to elevate the interest of the public, especially young farmers, to involve in modern farming.
We are a Singapore startup that valorizes food waste into high-quality gourmet mushrooms.
A very warm welcome to the Republic Polytechnic RP Trendlines Agri-Food Incubation Program Demo Day Final Pitch.
Will you ever turn a profit in this business?
I would like to introduce the judges.
Upcycling of flower waste, we can create more job opportunities for people and to promote inclusivity. Turning flower waste into bio-incense. And the title is Destiny with Flowers. Keen to adopt this solution.
Okay, now because end of the day is the scalability of business is about them.
What I want to see in the future is really more young entrepreneurs like myself, daring to venture out into new industries and help to change the world and make the place a better place.
For you to find the right combination or permutation, is it like trial and error, or do you have a specific way of doing it?
Yeah, it is. We do have to run a lot of trial and experiments. So,
in order for us to bring our startup to the next level, we are basically looking for 70,000 Sing dollar for us to have to improve our apps development, our product quality improvement, as well as the overall market validation.
I present to you mobile integrated vertical farm MyVF, a harmful chemical. So it can be addressed by integrated
foam. Beyond building insulation, by tweaking our process and formula, we'll also be able to produce biocompounds through different life stages.
Where will you be at that point?
So, just taking the pilot facilities, for example, we checked early on with them what are the equipments they have, and we are compatible in terms of processing.
And try to block you. Now the question is, this will be all about your go-to-market strategies.
Example, one day you serve 3,000 bake, 3,000 meal. Just whether it's diesel or make cost, it's a stable revenue stream per key. Whether it's the butt or the wing or the joint or whatever, they still use the same routine.
People doubt you, people try to cheat you, or people just do not want to partner you. But that's normal because you are trying to be a business person. Okay, so feel comfortable with uncomfortable. That's one.
When we first started this, everything was online. We had very few startups joining us at the point in time. We only had 8, right? After that, in 2021, we had 8, and this year, for the Trendlines event, we actually have grown almost 3-4, 30 teams, right? It's a huge growth.
In second place, as first runner-up, Mike Leo. Well done. Round of applause. Coming in first place, winner of $30,000 and champion of the RP Trendlines Agri-Food Incubation Program Demo Day 2023 is Vocal Fungi. Congratulations team, Vocal Fungi.
Okay, for those who are interested, okay, to be part of the RP Trendlines, okay, do come and check it out, Republic Polytechnic, okay, how we actually work with you, partner with you, and basically venture with you into the ecosystem, especially to the regional startup ecosystem. Yeah, so you can actually reach out us at the RP, from the RP portal. Just find us under entrepreneurship. Yeah, so do follow us on our social media.